So hey guys, welcome to Techie Media. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS, Easyworship, and your phone as your camera. Let's get right into it. You open the OBS plugin, then you open the DroidCam OBS on your phone, and you see that it's showing Wi-Fi off, but your hotspot is on. Okay, then device IP. This device IP is what you are going to copy and paste into the OBS software. Then the DroidCam port is also there inside the software. So what we do now is to connect our system to the hotspot. That is connected. Okay, we'll open the OBS software and click on add. Look at it, the DroidCam OBS. Click on it, click OK. Okay, so now you leave the resolution the way it is, or if you want to change it, you either input this one 960 by 720, 128 1280 by 720, and 1920 by 1080. If you want to use any of these apart from the first one, you have to pay for the premium version of the OBS of the DroidCam. If you want to use any of these, you have to pay for the premium version of the DroidCam OBS on your phone. Otherwise, the watermark will be showing on your system. So what to do? I'm going to leave it at this. Then impute the Wi-Fi IP that showed on my phone. Okay, mine is the device IP is 192.168.43.1. Okay, so you enable audio if you want to use the audio from this device, and click activate. Yeah, that's it. This is my phone, as you can see it's showing on the screen. This is my phone, as you can see it's showing on the screen. Okay, let me show my face. Sorry, this is it. As you can see, my face is showing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it like this so that to be showing my face. Alright, okay, now so as you can see, okay, this will serve as our camera right now. Okay, I've dropped it. So what I'm going to do is to click OK, then increase the screen to however I want it to be like. I'm going to adjust this a bit. Increase the screen to however I want it to be like. Okay, this is nice, this is wonderful. Okay, we need to bring in Easyworship so that it will be displaying the scriptures beneath this footage right here. So what I'm going to do is to close this, then open Easyworship. Okay, it's opening. Okay, now it's open. Click on this display icon. Okay, so what I need to do is to change this output monitor to secondary to custom position and click OK. Okay, that way, as you can see, it came outside of my screen. That's why I reduced the size of this Easyworship so I can easily navigate it. So that way I can grab the output inside OBS. Okay, what I want to do now is to change the background into something that is going to like with a lower third, so I don't need to be using Easyworship OBS to put in the background for the lower. So anytime I just change the scripture, it will change automatically. So now I will click on options, go to add images, browse, So now I designed a lower third that has just the down but no in the lower part dark and the upper part there's nothing there, and with a little logo by the side, and click OK, click open. This aspect ratio, you can change it however it suits you. I'm just going to leave it like this and click OK. Okay, go live. As you can see, the output is still showing that my scriptures, all the scriptures are not actually aligned the way I want it to be. I want it to be at just at this part of the display. So what I'm going to do is to go back to that background, click on options, click override global option for this background, then click background designer. That way I can easily change to where I want it to be. Then click on the text, then reduce it to this level. Yeah, that's nice. Then maybe increase this part so that this part with this, it will not be interfering with the logo. And click OK, click OK, and this is nice. This is nice. So let me change the scripture to something like this. Okay, and let's go live. Okay, now I now have a lower third that suits my needs. So anytime I just change the scripture, I don't need to be changing the background again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to OBS and import this this output into OBS. So now we'll open our OBS software with our display, then click on add Windows capture, click OK. So okay, now we now have because each window has different, so we need to select the window for the output. So now on this window part, you click on live output. That's it. As you can see, now we now have this scripture showing here. We now have this scripture showing like this. So click OK. So we can edit it however we want. But first of all, I'm going to leave it like this and click on filters. Let me show that I can remove that white background. You can just impute a PNG image. Okay, just impute a PNG image that doesn't have that there. So click OK. It's because of Easyworship, that's why it's showing like that. Click on add color key, click OK. So you select that white part, click on custom color, select color, pick color selection. So I'm going to select the white, click OK. So now I'm going to play around with this a bit so that it will be visible enough. Okay, let me just leave it like this. But if you input a PNG image, it will be clear. Okay, let me just leave it like this and click on close. So now, as you can see, I now have a nice display of our Easyworship, of our OBS. So what I'm going to do is to right click on this, then click on this. I'm going to select the screen here so that it will be capturing my image. So as you can see now, everything is showing the way it's supposed to be. As you can see, the scripture is here and our footage is here also. So what I'm going to do now is to tell you that it is working fine. So I'm going to go to our Easyworship. As you can see, okay, let me bring in this phone here so that it will not be as if I'm changing it. Okay, this is our display. So what I'm going to do is to change the scripture to maybe, okay, this. I'm going to double click on it. As you can see, and God said let there be light, and there was light. Nice. So let's check maybe John 3:16. 3 verse 16. As you can see, everything is showing the way it is. So now if you have a phone and you want to display it in your church, all you need to do is to just follow these steps I've shown you, and you can easily do the same thing I did. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot. So if you have any questions, comment below, share, like, and please subscribe and hit the bell icon so I'll see you in our next video.